Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S2, and I'll show you how to customize volume panels on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store, and here in the search pool type the volume styles app. Maybe there's something wrong with our internet connection. We'll check. Yeah, that's connected. Okay, now we'll go back. Okay, we got here this our application, so now just tap to install and wait a few seconds while application installing on your device. Now just open the app. And here tap to on right upper corner to start. Now just tap here on the switcher. Here go to the volume styles and tap to the switcher into OK. So now we can use the application. Now just click here yes I agree. And as can you see here we got all available new volume panels. For example, we'll try the iOS one. Yes, can you see, we just check that's really work. Also you can select the another one, for example the waves. Now we'll check that. Yes, can you see, we just change our volume panel to the another one. And if you want you can just select the another volume panel, and if you want to just stop it, just tap here once to stop. And as can you see, right now we got our default volume panel. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.